Apparently, people are making thousands of dollars by selling simple books on Amazon.
I've made $13,941.
You don't need to be an author, you don't need writing skills, and you definitely don't need months to create a book. Regular people are using AI tools to create books, upload them to Amazon, and make sales. So in this video, I'll show you the exact step-by-step process on how to create your first book using AI, how to publish it on Amazon, and how you can get started today as a complete beginner. Let's get straight into it. Alright, so I have my laptop right here, and let's get started. So the first thing on my plan is to find a book that's actually selling well already. I'm not just going to guess, I'm going to use a software called BookVault. So I'm just going to log in into BookVault right here, and on the left side, you will see this research tab. I'm going to click on product search, and this basically shows me the top best-selling books on Amazon. I'm going to sort this out by bestseller, rank from high to low, and see what comes up. So after doing a bit of research, I found out that all kinds of different puzzle books are selling very well right now. But as you can see, the key is having some sort of niche to your puzzle book. This is a very good example, a nostalgic TV puzzle book right here. And another example, the nifty 1950s puzzle book. So as you can see, in just a couple of minutes, we have some very solid ideas for books we can make that actually will sell. So I decided to make a word search book specifically for kids about farm animals. This niche is specific enough so there's less competition, but it's broad enough that people are actually searching for it. All right, let's move on to creating the book. First, we need to design a cover. And BookVault makes this super easy. On the left side in BookVault, just click on BookVault Studio and a new project window opens. I'll name this Farm Animals Word Search. Choose 6:9 as the size. That's the most common size for these types of books and keeps printing costs low. I'm setting this to 110 pages, black and white interior, white paper, and I'm turning bleed on. That just means the design prints all the way to the edge without any white borders. Click Create and boom. Here's my workspace. The right side is the front cover, the left is the book. And see this red border right here? That's where Amazon might cut off your design, so keep important stuff inside here. Also, Amazon automatically adds a barcode to the bottom right of the back cover, so don't put anything right here. Now I'll go to shapes, grab a rectangle, and drag it to cover the whole page. This is my background. I'll click on it and change the color to something bright since this is for kids. Next, I'll add another rectangle for the title area. I'll drag it to the center. See how it snaps to the green line? That's the center, okay? I'll round the corners a bit, about 0.4, and make it white so the text actually stands out. Now for the title, I'll click text, add a heading, and type farm animals. I'll choose a clean font like Open Sans and make it big enough to read. I'll add a subtitle too, word search, and easy puzzles for kids. Now I need a graphic. BookVault has a library of copyright-free images from Pixabay, so I'll click graphics, search for cow, and pick one with transparent background, which has no white box around it. I'll click to add it, then resize and center it on the front cover. For the back cover, I'll just add a rounded rectangle and subtext with instructions. Something like solutions can be found forwards, backwards, diagonally, and words with spaces are compressed into one word. And that's the cover done. Well, almost of course. We'll come back to add a puzzle background in a bit. All right, now the fun part, creating the actual puzzles. For 55 puzzles with 9 words each, I need 495 words. So I could spend hours Googling farm animal words, or I could just use AI. So I'm gonna open ChatGPT and use this prompt. And I'll put this exact prompt in the description so you can copy it. It will tell ChatGPT to generate 495 farm animal words, 9 per puzzle, with a percentage symbol separating each puzzle. The percentage symbol is important because it helps us format it later, okay? And just like that, it's already generating the list. Sometimes ChatGPT stops halfway, so just click continue until you have all 495 words. Now I'm going to copy this entire list and paste it into Google Sheets. Next, I need to remove all the percentage symbols. I'll press Command plus F on Mac or Control plus F on Windows to open Find and Replace. I'll type percentage symbol in the Find box, leave the Replace box empty, and click Replace All. This leaves a blank row between each set of 9 words, which is exactly what BookBalt needs. Now I will download this as CSV file, go to File, Download, and select comma separated values. I'll save it as Farm Animals word search. Back in the BookBalt, I'm going to click on page 1, hit this puzzle icon, and select the word search standard. Now I'll click select from to and set it to pages 1 through 55. This tells BookBalt to put puzzles on the first 55 pages and automatically create solution pages for the next 55. I'll set words per puzzle to 9 because this has to match what we did in ChatGPT. You can also enable a diagonal or reverse words if you want to make it harder, but I'll leave those off for kids. Now I'll click choose CSV file and upload the file we just created. BookBalt will show a preview, make sure it looks right, then click continue and submit. This takes a couple of minutes, so I'll just let it do its thing. And here we go, 55 puzzles, all formatted perfectly, plus 55 solution pages. I'll quickly scroll through to make sure nothing's cut off and everything looks good. So after a quick scroll, I can see that everything is correct. Now let's finish the cover. All right, so you just saw how BookBalt automated 55 puzzles and 55 solution pages in just a couple of minutes. And that's would have taken days to do manually. Now, BookBalt is a paid tool, but they offer 3-day free trial. So you can follow this entire tutorial and publish your first book for free. And I've got a 20% off coupon code. This is the code that you see on the screen right now, Creator20. You'll also find this code in the description and in the pinned comment. And this code works on any plan that you choose, monthly or yearly. And if you sign up using my link and publish your first book, I'll give you free access to my Creator World program, which shows you how to market your books on social media. Just email me your book listing to the email you see on the screen, and I'll grant you access to the course. All right, let's finish up the cover and get this book published. So the last thing we need to do is add the puzzle as a background on the cover. I'm going to go to one of the puzzle pages, right click on the puzzle and hit copy. Then I'll go back to the cover and paste it. I'll resize it to fit behind the main graphic and delete any extra words outside the puzzle grid. To do that, I'll right click on the puzzle and select edit contents. Then just delete the words I don't need. Now I'll bring my cow graphic to the front so it sits on top of the puzzle. Perfect, that's cover now complete. Now I would normally spend a little bit more time making the cover design, but for this tutorial I'm keeping it simple so you can focus on the process. So now that the book's done, I'm going to download it. I'll select the first option. This downloads it as CMYK, which is the color format Amazon needs for printing. I'll name it Farm Animals Word Search and save it. BookBalt exports it as a zip file. I'll extract it, and inside there are 2 PDFs, one for the cover, one for the interior. Perfect. Now we're ready to upload to Amazon. All right, now we're on Amazon KDP. If this is your first time, you'll need to create an account. It's completely free, by the way. I'm going to click this big create button, then select paperback. Language is English, and for the title, I'll put Farm Animals Word Search Puzzle Book for Kids. This is important. Your title should be clear and include your main keywords so Amazon knows what your book is about. For the subtitle, I'll add some extra keywords. Word searches with easy to read print for kids about cows, pigs, chickens, and more. 6 against 9 inches, 110 pages. This helps with search rankings because people might search for cow word search or pig word search. For the author name, I'll just use my initials. You can use a pen name if you want to stay anonymous. Now for the description, I'm going to use ChatGPT to write something professional. I'll just tell it, write an Amazon product description for a 6 against 9 word search book about farm animals for kids. I'll copy that and paste it here. For publishing rights, I'll select I own the copyright. We created everything ourselves, so this is accurate. Next, categories. I'll click choose categories, go to humor and entertainment, then puzzles and games, and select select puzzles, word games, and word search. Now for keywords, this is huge, okay? I'm going to go back to BookVault's keyword search tab to see what people are actually searching for. I'll type farm animals word search and shows me all the related searches with high volume. I'll add all of these as keywords. Now I'll scroll down and click save and continue. For ISBN, I'll click assign ISBN. Amazon gives you one for free. For print options, black and white interior, white paper, 6:9 trim size, and bleed on. Cover finish, I'll go with matte, but glossy works too. Now I'll upload my files, click upload manuscript, and select the interior PDF from BookVault. Then scroll down and click upload the cover you already have and select the cover PDF. Make sure you see green check marks. That means the files uploaded correctly. Now I'll click launch previewer to see exactly how the book will look when printed. This takes a minute to load, but it's worth checking to make sure everything looks right. Looks good. Puzzles are formatted correctly, margins are fine. I'll click approve. Now for pricing, I'll click save and continue, select all territories and set the price at $6.99. Amazon shows me the printing cost is $2.32 and I'll make around $1.87 per sale. Not bad for a book I made in under an hour. You can also enable expand distribution if you want your book to be sold outside Amazon, but the royalty is going to be lower. Alright, I'm going to hit publish your paperback book. Amazon will review it within 72 hours and then it will be live and ready to sell. So once your book is live, don't just sit back and wait for sales to come in. The best way to get traction is to market on social media. Order a copy of your book, create content around it, whether that's TikTok, Instagram Reels, or YouTube Shorts, and drive traffic to your Amazon listing. You can build a whole page around puzzle books, word searches, or educational content for kids. And the more books you publish, the more money you can make. There is no upload limit on Amazon KDP. So if you want to get started, the link for BookVault with 20% coupon code is in the description and in the pinned comment down below. They got a 3-day free trial so you can test it out risk-free. And remember, if you sign up using my link and publish your first book, just send me a screenshot and the link to your listing to the email you see on the screen and I'll give you a free access to my Creator World program. This program will show you how to grow on social media, so if you want to build a brand for your books and sell even more of them, this will help you to get started. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next one.